Do you know the difference between make and do in English? We use do to talk about work and study. Do a subject. This means study a subject. Are you doing maths and science for your A-levels? Do some studying. I really need to do some studying this weekend. I'm badly behind on my uni work. Do a report. Karen is doing a report on the media in one of their classes. Do an exercise. Chris does lots of exercises to improve his German vocabulary. Do research. I'm doing some research at the moment, but I'll start writing soon. Do an exam. When are you doing your final exams? Do a course. Nathan has decided to do a course in computing. Do work. Tracy needs to stay at home and do some work at the weekend. Do a job. Please do your job for once. Do paperwork. Very few people like doing paperwork. We use make to talk about food preparation. Make a meal. Karen and Joe take turns making meals. Joe makes breakfasts and Karen makes dinners. Make a sandwich or make a snack. I'm making tuna sandwiches. Do you want one? Make a salad. I made a salad for the family picnic. Make a drink. Can I make you a drink? What would you like? Make a cup of tea. Shall I make a cup of tea for you? Make a cake. This means bake a cake. Susan makes amazing cakes. Usually, we use do to talk about housework. Do housework. Let's do the housework quickly this morning, then we'll have the evening free. Do chores. Julie is going to do some chores this afternoon. Do the dishes or do the washing up. I hate doing the dishes. I'm planning to buy a dishwasher this year. Do the ironing. It's your turn to do the ironing. Do the shopping. I'll do the shopping at the weekend. Do the laundry or do the washing. My husband does the laundry and I clean the bathroom. Do the gardening. Lucy spends a few hours a week doing gardening. One exception is make the bed. I try to make the bed as soon as I get up. We use make to talk about plans and progress. Make plans. Jason is making plans to travel to New Zealand at the beginning of August. Make a note of. It's very important. Please make a note of what I've said. Make a list. Before I start my new project, I'll make a detailed list of all the things I need to do. Make a decision. I love both these dresses. It's so hard to make a decision between them. Make a choice. Aaron has made the choice that he is coming back home. Make sure. This means confirm. Make sure you switch off the light before you leave the room. We use do when talking about body care. Do makeup. It takes me less than 5 minutes to do my makeup in the morning. Do your nails. Jo likes to do her nails each week. Do your hair. Becky spends ages doing her hair every time she goes out. Do exercise. Julie likes doing exercise, especially running. We use make when talking about products. Make of. We use this with one type of material. This table is made of oak. Make from. We use this with a few different products. My favourite juice is made from summer fruits. Make in. We use this with places. Lots of cars are made in Japan. Make by. We use this with people or manufacturers. This beautiful scarf was made by my aunt.